Hello friends, it is Madgaon railway station of Goa. In this video I am going to explain you how to reach Calangute Baga beach by public transport. First of all, I will cross the overbridge and reach the back side of the railway station. From there is a road that will lead to the bus stop. It is just about 300 meters away from the railway station. Now time is 9:47 am. There is always city buses are available to KTC bus stand, which is about 4 km away from the railway station. The bus fare is 20 rupees. Calangute beach is about 52 km away from Madgaon railway station. If you hire a taxi, it will be charged about 1500 to 2000 rupees. Taxi charges are little costly in Goa. From Madgaon KCT bus stand, there are plenty of buses are available to Panaji KTC bus stand. Catch a KTC bus from here to Panchim. Now we are reached the KTC bus stand. I took a ticket from the counter and entered the bus. It is an electric AC bus. It provides a comfortable journey. Now time is 10:22 am. The ticket fare is 50 rupees. It is about 1 hour journey from Madgaon KTC bus stand to Panaji KTC bus stand. The road is very smooth and the journey is very comfortable. I sat beside the window seat so that I can shoot the journey. Through the eyes of my camera, I copied the beautiful countryside of Goa. Calangute Baga beaches are the most popular beaches in Goa. A large number of tourists visit these beaches every day. But the tourists who reach the Madgaon railway station have a very difficult to reach Calangute Baga beach. Because of the taxi charge is very high in Goa. They will charge more than 2000 rupees. But you can reach Calangute beach easily by public transport. In this video, I am trying to explain you how can you reach Calangute beach by public transport. Now we are reaching to Panaji. Panaji is the center of tourist hub in Goa. Now we are entering to the KTC bus stand. Within 1 hour, our bus reached in Panaji. Now time is about 11:05 in the morning. Panchim KTC bus stand is the largest KTC bus stand in Goa. Now we have reached KTC bus stand in Panchim. Here you can have some refreshment. This is Panchim KTC bus stand. At the right side of the bus stand, there is buses to Calangute beach. The buses which operate from Panjim city will not reach Baga beach. They will stop their journey at Calangute beach. If you want to go Baga beach, you can catch a bus from Calangute to Baga that comes from Mopsa. This bus goes to Calangute beach. The ticket fare will be 40 rupees. In another bus, I started my journey to Calangute from Panjim city. This bus will take about 1 hour to reach Calangute beach. Between Panjim and Calangute, there is the famous Condolim beach. This is Condolim. Condolim and Calangute are famous for its cashew nut business. There are a large number of shops that sell cashew nut. This is Calangute. If you want to go to Baga beach, you get down here and catch a bus that comes from Mopsa to Baga beach. Within 10 minutes, the bus will reach in Baga beach. This is Baga beach. The time is about 12:45 and I will stop my journey here. Thank you for watching this video.